Is this supposed to be like this, guys? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be trying to do a full face makeup only with Dollar Tree products. With that being said, let's get started. Now I'm going to show you what I got really quick before I move on. I got this. This is a hydrating under eye concealer in the shade medium. This is the back. I also got this Le Mercier Favorite Essentials Collection Nude Smoky Shimmery Eyeshadows with applicator. They look like this. This is the back. The Wet n Wild mascara, and this is a clear mascara, tame and defined. Clear gel formula for natural definition. Lifts and separates lashes, grooms and sets brows. So it's for both eyebrows and eyelashes. I also found this liquid lipstick by Remy Rose. Shade name is Lindsay. I found this Be Pure Infused Pressed Face Powder, green tea infused, and it provides smooth matte finish. So it's a matte finish and sets makeup and controls shine. This is the back. On this essentially ageless blush, and it's infused with camellia oil. And then I found these Ardell Professional Aqua Lashes, no adhesive needed. Dip and apply. Water activated lash band in 344. This is the back. Another product that I am going to be using that I already previously had, but I never opened it, like to use it, is this Smoothing Face Primer LA Colors. Color correcting, clear, minimizes pores, and I got this from Dollar Tree as well. I opened it and I was planning on using it and I never used it, so this is the video for it since I couldn't find a primer. I'm going to start off with this primer. Is this supposed to be like this, guys? It says it's clear. I know it's white, you can see it in the packaging, but I thought it was going to dry clear, and it looks like I put like a face mask. I'm going to go in with the medium hydrating under eye concealer. This seems a little too tan for me. I'm going to go in with this Nude Smoky. I'm going to try the Wet n Wild Lash and Brow Mascara. I'm going to try the Infused Pressed Face Powder. Now the blush. It has this big, clear, thick thing after this. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So the glue, that big, thick, clear thing, is the glue, and it starts separating. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Final rating. For this concealer, out of 5, I would give it a 3.5. Face primer, out of 5, a 0. Wet n Wild Lash and Brow, out of 5, a 1. Nude Smoky Eyeshadow, out of 5, a 3.5. Blush, out of 5, a 4. Ardell Eyelashes, out of 5, a 1. Infused Powder, out of 5, a 4. Out of 5, I give this a 3. So let's talk about the primer. The primer, I have many things to talk about. First and foremost, It is white, but it says clear. It did not go on clear, and it did not stay clear or anything. It just stayed white. And it says clear, so I don't know if it means clear white or just clear, which I assumed it was gonna dry clear, and it didn't. It just stayed white like Halloween makeup. So under eye concealer, I like this. I actually like how it stays on your face. It feels like foundation. I would have liked to get my tone smoky eyeshadow. So this pink one didn't show up. It only gave a little bit of shimmer, that's it. These other two, I used it for highlighter on the face, and this one for highlighter on the eyelids. This one, of course, I also used it on the eyelids, and I liked it a lot. I liked how it gave that little like smoky effect. So I will be using, I didn't like it. It didn't do anything for me. It says that it's clear for the lash and brow, but it's like water, and it's not even like gel or anything. So the Remy Rose is very pretty. I like the color, and I also like that it's matte. What I don't like is that it's very sticky. I know a lot of matte lipsticks and liquid lipsticks tend to do that stickiness, but this one's like really... The blush surprised me. It kind of reminds me like the Rare Beauty ones, like the color, not how you apply it, because this powder, Rare Beauty, it's liquid. The powder, I really like this powder, and I also like that it smells a little bit like green tea. It's really cute. It's small, and I like how it applies. It's like one of those high-end / drugstore. I was really oily. I applied it and it made it matte, and I like it. So I will be using this. These eyelashes were very disappointing. Ardell makes a very great brand of eyelashes, and these are just a fail in my opinion. It does say patent pending here, but I didn't like these. So they look pretty from far away, and you're like, oh, okay, they look really pretty. If they would look like this in person, I would give it a 5 out of 5. But I don't even want to show you guys. Okay, coming in close to show you guys. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, that's a lot to zoom in. Can you guys see that? Are you guys able to see like that big old gap of glue? See those big old space? That's glue. Look at that. It's the glue from the eyelashes. It's so thick. I don't like that big, thick glue thing. Of course, I read the instructions and it says that I thought the glue was gonna melt or something. No, I'm gonna quote you guys the instructions, and you guys can see them here. They're right there. So it says, quote, activate adhesive. Immerse lash band in warm water for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure lash band is fully saturated before applying to lash line. I did that. I was even burning my fingers with the water. It wasn't working. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.